Hello everyone. So now we're going to discuss the questions related to the international relationship. Okay. So that is vision, ideas, notes. We are discussing some important topic of that, and that is about. So vision, ideas, notes, and where is the rubber? So many topics we discussed. First was UN, UNHRSC, and almost how many pages? Food and Agriculture Organization was the last one. International Coffee Organization G20 was also completed. Page number 14th, page number 40. BIMSTEC, we were discussing about BIMSTEC. So BIMSTEC is a group, and so BIMSTEC, and this BIMSTEC is a group which is a 5-year foreign minister meeting. So there is a 5 and foreign minister meetings were there, and that was the BIMSTEC, and the headquarters is Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok and Thailand. That is the headquarters of the BIMSTEC. So this is a regional organization established in the 1997. Okay, and this is the Bangkok Declaration also. Bangkok Declaration also. Okay. After that, this organization came into force. BIMSTEC has a 4 countries. First was Bangladesh. Second one was India. Then Sri Lanka, and then Thailand. So if we are seeing in this map, there is a Bangladesh, then there is a Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand. Okay, these all countries were there. Myanmar is a country which joined this. Myanmar, this joined this 1997 and renamed the BIMSTEC. Okay, before that it was BIMSTEC. Now it's BIMSTEC. So the secretariat of the BIMSTEC, that is in the Dhaka, and Bangladesh, that is in the Dhaka. So there is a 7-member Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Myanmar, Nepal, and Bhutan. And Bhutan joined this 2004. So in 2004, Bhutan also joined this group. For founding principle, BIMSTEC is sovereignty, equality. So maintaining the sovereignty, then equality, then integrity and coexistence. BIMSTEC charter is as a formalizing group of organization. So there is a charter of the BIMSTEC. This charter is for the formalizing group. So it is accounts the 22% of the population. So world की 22% क्या है यहाँ पे population plus 2.7 trillion क्या है GDP. Then 1/4 of the traded goods into this. 1/4 जो है goods यहाँ पे trades होते हैं. And 6 focus area है इसके, जो कि first है trade, उसके बाद है energy वाला एरिया, उसके बाद है tourism का एरिया, ठीक है, देन है ट्रांसपोर्ट का एरिया एंड उसके बाद है टेक्नोलॉजी का एरिया. Okay, so this group is under the reduce the nucleus of the sector pillars and like nucleus को हमें कम this is the member agreed to reduce the number of sector pillars of the cooperation from 14 to 7 and India will lead the security pillar. So there is a security pillars and that was 14 before that it was 14, now it is 7. Okay, so India will lead to the security. India is also a security pillar. Okay, now next group is it is very like BIMSTEC. If we are discussing about the BIMSTEC, the main thing is 1997 Bangkok Declaration, and countries names are, we know that Dhaka is a secretariat of the BIMSTEC, and countries are Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Myanmar added in that. In 2004, Bhutan also joined this one. Okay, so this is all about the BIMSTEC that was set up under the Bangkok Declaration. Dhaka is the secretariat, and the countries names we all know about this now. And Myanmar added in the 1997, and one more thing was there, Bhutan, that was added in the 2004. Okay, now next one is ASEAN. Okay, so ASEAN is a PM of India attend the 28th ASEAN India Summit. It is the ASEAN and India Summit. So all time if that is in the news, then we should know about the summit. That is the 20th summit first of all. And this is in the Jakarta, Indonesia. This is in the Jakarta, Indonesia. And one more thing, 12-point proposal strengthening the cooperation. There is a 12 points proposal. Okay, and Jakarta is a headquarter. And there is a 20th ASEAN Summit. India Digital Public Infrastructure. First is the digital public infrastructure. Digital infra. Okay, for the public. And digital future. It was established actually in the 1967. And Bangkok, it is also similar of the BIMSTEC, that is also the Bangkok Declaration. This is also the Bangkok Declaration. And there is the countries Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and the Thailand. Okay, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Philippines, and Singapore and Thailand. So they are the countries, and secretariat is Indonesia, Jakarta, as we discussed, Indonesia, Jakarta. And dialogue partners are lots of dialogue partners. EUP है Japan, India, China, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK, and US. ASEAN communities are generally launched the three pillars of ASEAN in 2015. First pillar is the political security. Political security. Second is the economic security. Third one is the socio and cultural security. Cultural security. And ASEAN plus 3 cooperation, that was with the ASEAN plus 3. So ASEAN plus 3, it is in China plus Japan, China, Japan, and Korea. Okay, these three are for the ASEAN 3. And now there is India is a active participant. So active participant कौन है इसका? India. So India is the active participant of this, and integrating the narrowing development gaps. And ASEAN plus 3 cooperation is also there, China, Japan, and Korea. India is the active participant of this, and there is the ASEAN group and ASEAN Defense Minister group, that is ADMMM. Okay, so one more thing, ADMM plus. Okay, so this is for the maritime forum. Expanded the ASEAN maritime forum also. So there is a maritime forum also. Maritime forum is also working there. ASEAN relationship is like all about the 11.3% of the global trade. Okay, this is working for the global trade, that is 11.3%. And the India trade agreement with ASEAN, that was in the 2009. So India signed with the ASEAN, that was 2009. ASEAN plan to action in combating transnational crimes also, and ADM plus platform for the 8 dialogue partners including the India. So if someone is asking that ADM plus dialogue, ADM plus, ADDM plus, that is the platform for ASEAN, and it also includes the India. Okay, now next one is the East Asia Summit. 18th East Asia Summit, that is in the Jakarta. So 80th East Asia Summit, and that is in the Jakarta. Forum of the 18 countries of Asia Pacific nations, and that was the ASEAN member Australia, China, India, Japan, New Zealand, South Korea, Russia, and USA. East Asia Summit process was initiated in the 2005. It is initiated in the 2005 with the conveying the first East Asia Summit in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Its first East Asia Summit was in the Kuala Lumpur or the Malaysia. Okay, so this is all about the ASEAN, and it was the 20th summit. It was established in the 1967. Its headquarters is in the Jakarta, and there is a ADDM plus some dialogue, that was India is also partner of that, and 11 point something percentage was contributed to the all over trade, and 12 point is given by the ASEAN this time. Okay, so this all about the ASEAN. Now we are going to discuss about the BRICS. BRICS is as important as the ASEAN, and as we discussed before, BIMSTEC, ASEAN, these two things. UN is also we discussed. Now we are going to discuss about BRICS. So BRICS is what? BRICS is admitted 5 new members. 5 new members. Okay, 5 new members in the 50th BRICS summit. In the 50th BRICS summit, there is a 5 new members and held in the Johannesburg and South Africa Okay. So BRICS is a 15th BRICS summit. So there is a BRICS expansion. So in that there is Egypt, then there is Ethiopia, okay, then there is Iran. These are the new members. These always changes. Iran, Saudi Arabia, and UAE. So this time the 5 members was included, that is Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and UAE. Okay, and the genesis is what? Genesis is about this council was in 2001, and that is a Goldman Sachs. Okay, this Goldman Sachs was a grouping of the fastest growing developing economy, that was G7. He was talking about the G7. Okay, now BRICS countries started their dialogue in the induction of the South Africa in the 2007. So in 2010, South Africa was added, and in that time BRICS came into existence. So before there is a 2006 that BRIC countries started their dialogue, and in 2010 South Africa added, and from that time it is become the BRICS. Before that it was only BRIC. Okay, so there is expansion. There is a Johannesburg Declaration. Which declaration? Johannesburg Declaration. Okay, so this declaration was all about the BRICS. So what are the important thing here? First important thing, no permanent council. First important thing is there is no permanent council. So BRICS has no permanent council, no permanent secretariat. So BRICS has no permanent secretariat. Okay, there is no permanent secretariat. Then BRICS alliance. Now see, major BRICS are what? First is the New Development Bank. Then will be the Contingency Reserve Management. Then will be the Contingency Reserve Management. Okay, then will be the BRICS R&D for the vaccine development. It is working for the vaccine development. For Alliance of Green Tourism. So these all works are done by the BRICS. Now, what do you think about the New Development Bank? That is important thing. So, New Development Bank to set a regional office of Gujarat International Finance, that is the GIFT city as a Gujarat. It is established in 2015 to mobilizing the resources and infrastructure development. Members of the BRICS nations are Bangladesh, UAE, Egypt. Uruguay is the prospective member and will become official member once deposit the accession. So Uruguay is right now not the member of the NDB, and BRICS nations are the member of the NDB. Plus Bangladesh is the member. Plus UAE is the member, and Egypt is also a member. And headquarter, the New Development Bank, their headquarter is in the Shanghai. Okay, headquarter in the Shanghai, China. That is in the Shanghai, China. And India is the second largest recipient of the financial support after China. So they are supporting China, and after China, India is the second largest who is supported by the NDB. Now, Friends of the BRICS meeting. So this is Friends of BRICS meeting in the Johannesburg. Friends of BRICS country are the Belarus. First is the Belarus. Second is the Burundi. Then Iran. Then UAE. Then Saudi Arabia. Then Egypt. Then Kazakhstan. And then Cuba. Now, objective is to Friends of the BRICS initiative is to promote the interaction of the BRICS with close allies and enhance the influence also. So there is one thing, that is the Friends of BRICS. This friends of the BRICS allies, and that is important